Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a serious contender in the pre-built gaming PC space, the Lenovo Legion T5 Tower. This machine packs some serious heat under the hood. Driving the performance is the AMD Ryzen 9 70-900X processor. This isn't just any CPU. It's a 12-core beast capable of boosting all the way up to 5.60 GHz. That means it's not only fantastic for gaming, but also handles demanding tasks like video editing or streaming with ease. Paired with that powerful CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card. With 12 GB of GDDR6X memory, this GPU is built for high-fidelity gaming. You're looking at smooth frame rates at 1440p resolution, and it can even push into 4K territory, especially when leveraging NVIDIA's DLSS technology. Ray tracing performance on this card is also excellent, bringing incredibly realistic lighting and reflections to supported games. For memory, it comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 4,800 MHz. While 16 GB is sufficient for most games right now, for a system with this high-end CPU and GPU, some users might find themselves wanting 32 GB for future-proofing or heavy multitasking. Storage is a nice combination. A speedy 512 GB NVMe M.2 SSD for your operating system and favorite games, plus a massive 4 TB traditional hard drive for everything else. Your media library, less frequently played games, and general storage. The 512 GB SSD might fill up quickly with modern game sizes, so that 4 TB HDD will definitely come in handy. Connectivity is modern and robust. You get Wi-Fi 6E for super fast wireless internet, Bluetooth 5.1, and a reliable gigabit Ethernet port. Port selection on the back and front is generous, including HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4a outputs for multiple monitors, a convenient USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, several USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and even some older USB 2.0 ports. The tower itself features a glass side panel, letting you see the components inside, and there's an LED switch to control any internal lighting. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, and includes a basic USB keyboard and mouse to get you started right out of the box. One thing to note is the warranty. It's a 2-year warranty provided by Techno Intelligence, along with free tech support. It's good to have that coverage. Overall, the Lenovo Legion T5 with the Ryzen 9 7900X and RTX 4070 is a seriously capable gaming desktop. It offers a fantastic balance of raw power for both gaming and productivity tasks, good storage options, and modern features, making it a compelling option for someone looking for a high-performance pre-built PC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.